Dr. Sean here, and I'm joined with one of my patients who I performed his hair transplant last year. How are you doing?
Doing great.
We did 1,900 grafts, and how do you like it?
It looks amazing, better than I expected even.
Oh, perfect. How do you love the fullness and the density?
It came out really good. I have very thick hair naturally, and it matches almost perfectly.
Matches it, and that's actually very, very important. Now, has anyone ever noticed that you had a hair transplant performed?
None of my friends, by about month 4, I was wearing my hair out. No one noticed. I had to tell my barber. She was shocked when I told her as well.
Awesome, excellent. How do you like the back with the donor area? Has it healed nicely?
It looks great. It healed up really quickly after the procedure, and it looks great now.
Perfect. Let's take a look down for me just a bit. Perfect. You could see the density and how well it matches. We did again over 900 grafts. And look up for me one more time. I'm going to zoom in so you could see the naturalness. You could see that the hairline, how natural it is. And so people looking at you can never notice you had anything done, correct?
Correct.
Awesome. I'm going to just just comb through it, and it blends so nicely. And you mind looking down for me just a bit? Excellent. All this are transplants. I love it. It's great. Congratulations.
Thank you.